How to create an Amazon EC2 Windows server. Learning objectives. How to create an Amazon EC2 Windows server. How to access your Windows server using remote desktop protocol. Learning objective 1. Creating an Amazon EC2 Windows server. Log into your AWS console and open EC2 service. Click on Launch Instances to create a new instance. In the search bar type Windows and press Enter. Choose the Windows version of your choice and click on Select. Select the instance type that you require and click on Configure Instance Details. Select a subnet in which you wish to launch the instance and enable auto-assign public IP. Now click on Add Storage. You can keep the default storage setting or add more storage depending on your application. Then click on Add Tags. Click on the Add Tag button to add a new tag. In the key field type name and give a name to your instance. Now click on Configure Security Group. Click on Create New Security Group and give a name and description to your security group. Click on Review and Launch. Review your instance and then click on Launch. Choose Select Existing Key Pair and select a key pair. Watch our video on how to create an Amazon EC2 key pair to create a new key pair. Click the checkbox and then click on Launch Instance. Click on View Instances to view your Windows instance. Wait for your instance state to say running. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Windows server. Learning objective 2. Logging into your Windows server using remote desktop protocol. To log into your Windows server, select your instance and click on Connect. Go to RDP Client and click on Download Remote Desktop File. Select the folder where you want to download the file and download the file. Open the downloaded file and click on Connect. To get the password for your Windows server, go back to the AWS console and click on Get Password. Click on Browse and select the key pair that is associated with your instance. Click on Decrypt Password. Now you can copy the decrypted password and paste it in your Windows Remote Desktop Authentication page and click OK. Click Yes on the next pop-up window, and wait for it to log you into your Windows server. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your Windows server. To log out of your Windows server, click on the cross in the top panel and select Yes. Now you have successfully logged out of your Windows server. If you no longer require the server, remember to terminate your EC2 instance. To terminate your instance, click on Instance State and select Terminate Instance option to terminate your instance. Congratulations! You were successfully able to create a Windows server and log into it.
Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.